Alright guys, alright, it's Charlie TV. Hey, welcome to my channel. And my last video, I was teaching my daughter Brielle, Haitian Creole. But guys, today, I'm gonna teach her Spanish, a lot of Spanish. Hey, let's go! Alright guys, now meet my daughter Brielle.
Hi everyone, my name is Brielle.
Okay, wait. Well, today I'm gonna teach you some Spanish, baby. Okay, now the first word I'm gonna teach you in Spanish is food.
What?
You know how to say food? I'm gonna tell you how to say. I'm gonna teach you how to say food in Spanish. Food in Spanish is comida. Comida. Can you repeat it? Comida.
I ate comida.
Oh, okay. If I said, give me the food, dame la comida. Give me the food. Dame la comida. Stop moving, right? Dame la comida. Dame la comida. La comida. La comida. Comida. Yes. Dame la comida. Dame la comida. La comida. Okay. Comida mean?
Give me the food.
Give me. Okay. Dame la comida. That mean give me the food. You got it right. Hola. I'm going to teach you how to say table in Spanish. Table, la mesa.
La mesa.
La mesa, the table, la mesa.
La mesa.
How to say what? How to say table in Spanish? La mesa.
La mesa.
La mesa. Okay. Now, what you would like to know in Spanish? Anything. Touch anything. Kitchen. Cocina. Cocina. Kitchen is cocina. Yeah, cocina. Cocina. What else?
Chair.
Chair. La silla.
La silla.
La silla.
There's a la silla.
La silla. What else? Okay. La llave.
Huh?
La llave. The key. Key mean
La
llave.
llave.
Key mean llave.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, and shoes. Shoes mean zapato.
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 Zapato. Okay? So, what else you would like to know in Spanish?
Drink.
Huh?
Drink.
Drink is bebida.
Huh?
Bebida.
Bebida.
Bebida. Bebida. Drink is bebida. Bebida. Okay. All right. So you would like to know, okay, do you want to know how to say floor in Spanish? Piso.
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 Is
Piso. Okay, if I say the floor is wet, piso mojado. There it is. That's my daughter. She's speaking Spanish now. Okay. Piso mojado means the floor is wet. Okay? Is wet. Okay? You see, when you go to a place, like if you go to Walmart, you will see if somebody spill water on the floor or juice or something, you will see they put a sign, a yellow sign. On the yellow sign, you will see floor is wet, wet floor. You see wet floor, and in Spanish, piso mojado. Piso mojado. How do you say piso mojado? Can you say that? Piso Mojado. That means the floor.
It's wet.
The floor is wet. That's my daughter. Oh, she's speaking Spanish. All right. So now, what else would you like to know in Spanish? Touch anything and I will tell you. Espejo. Espejo in Spanish. Miroir means espejo. Espejo. In Spanish?
No, actually, apartment.
Apartamento.
Apartamento.
Apartamento. Apartamento. Apartamento. Apartamento.
It's hard to say because it's fast.
Yeah, apartamento. Apartamento.
Apartamento.
Okay. A house. Se dice house. Okay. La casa.
La casa.
La casa. Casa mean house. And house mean in Spanish?
La casa.
La casa. That's my daughter. All right, so I think it's all for today. You know, so tell me before you go, before I let you go, tell me what else you would like to know in Spanish.
One more thing.
One more thing. Come closer.
Car.
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 El carro.
Is it A or U?
The el carro, 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 C-A-R-R-O. Carro.
Car.
Carro mean car. Okay? Alright, baby. Now say bye to my subscribers, to my people,
Bye.
to Charlie TV people.
And make sure to
Well. So, you guys, I hope you guys learned something today in Spanish, a lot of Spanish, right? So, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and share. If you are new on my channel, Charlie TV, please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao. See you guys in the next video.
The Caribbean and the globe, and their stories that deserve to be heard. Join in daily and stay with us on Charlie TV, where every moment comes alive.